All right, guys, welcome to day 3 of multiplication and multiplying. Today is going to be a working day where you are going to get some practice time to work through some of these problems that we are going to be looking at. You need page 201, and 203. You're going to be working on several different problems. I'm going to do the first one with you, and then it's going to be up to you to look at the rest of them and to figure out what to solve and how to solve these problems using your strategies. All right. So it says, for each problem, first record the expression that can be used to solve the given problem, then use the space to solve. So you're going to write what you're going to be solving here and how to solve it here. So Kabir's backyard garden is 37 by 46 feet. What is the area of his garden? And I know area is length times width. So if I know my dimensions, my expression is going to be 37 times 46. So I'm now going to show my work here. I'm going to do the area model for this example. If you want to go ahead and do that with me. I'm going to set this up, multiplication signs in the corner. Okay, if you want to pause for a second so that you've got this down. And I'm going to split apart now my two numbers into tens and ones, tens and ones. So this is 3 tens and 7 ones, 4 tens and 6 ones. Notice how I didn't put 3 plus 7. It's not 3, it's 30. Guys, it's 37, 3 tens, 30 plus 7, and 40 plus 6. So my 30 and 7 up top and on bottom, and my 40 and 6 on the left and the right. Now, whatever touches the box, I'm going to multiply together. So this one's going to be 30 and 40. This one's going to be 7 and 40. This one's going to be 6 and 30. And this one's going to be 6 and 7. All right, let's do my times by powers of 10. 3 times 4 is 12. And I've got 2 zeros, 1,200. 7 times 4 is 28, 1 0, 280. 6 times 3 is 18, 1 0. And 7 times 6 is 42, no zeros. So I'm going to put these in order from biggest to smallest, and I did not leave myself a ton of room, so I'm going to come over here and do it to make sure I've lined them up accurately. So I'm going to zoom way in to show you that. So I'm going to start with my biggest number, which is 1,200. I'm going to split these into rows. And typically, guys, I want more space than this because I didn't leave myself a ton of space. My second biggest number is 0, 8, 2. Notice how I started from the right-hand side, so I didn't make a mistake of my place value. 0, 8, 1, and 2, 4. Now, if you want to add zeros in these other spots, you can add zeros. So you have all the same numbers, or you can just add from here. So 0, 0, 0, and 2. 8 and 8 is 16, plus 4 is 20. 0 downstairs, 2 gets carried. 2 plus 2 plus 2 is 6, plus 1 is 7. And bring down my 1. So I know the area of his garden is going to be 1,702. And this is actually with multiply. It's going to be actually feet squared. All right, so take a look at that example up there for a second. And then your goal now is you're going to look at the rest of these with your teacher and independently and working through them and solving just like I did with our multiplication area model. All right, good luck. I will see you guys tomorrow. Start to talk about division.